If you want to create PowerPoint-style slides fast without starting from a blank page, Gamma app is one of the easiest tools to use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a presentation in Gamma step by step, so you can build a clean slide deck in just a few minutes. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the website loads, sign into your Gamma account. If you already have an account, just log in normally. If not, you can create one in a few moments using your email or a connected account. After you sign in, you'll land on the Gamma dashboard where you can start a new project. Now look for the Create New button. This is the main starting point for building your slides. Click Create New and Gamma will give you different content options. Since we want to make slides, select Presentation. This tells Gamma that you want a slide-style deck instead of a document or web page. Next, Gamma will ask you for your presentation topic. This is where you type the idea for your slides. For example, you could enter something like digital marketing strategy, travel planning tips, or how to improve productivity. Try to be clear and specific because the better your topic is, the better your slide outline will be. Gamma uses your topic to generate the structure of the presentation. After you enter your topic, let Gamma create the slide outline. This is one of the best parts of the tool because it saves you from manually planning every slide. Gamma will automatically suggest a flow for your presentation, usually breaking the topic into logical sections and slide titles. Take a moment to review the outline and make sure it matches what you want to present. If needed, you can adjust the direction before moving forward. Once the outline looks good, the next step is to choose a theme. Gamma gives you different design styles so you can control the look and feel of your presentation. Pick a theme that matches your topic and your audience. For example, if you want something professional, choose a clean business style. If you want something modern and creative, you can choose a more colorful layout. After selecting your theme, click Generate. Now Gamma will build the full presentation for you. It will create PowerPoint-style slides based on your topic, outline, and theme. This can take just a short moment, and once it's finished, your deck will appear on screen. You'll usually see your slides arranged in a visual format that you can click through one by one. At this stage, open the finished deck and review everything carefully. This is where you make small edits so the presentation feels more polished and personal. You can update text, change wording, refine slide titles, or adjust anything that doesn't quite fit. You can also improve the structure if you want a stronger flow from one slide to the next. Even though Gamma does most of the work for you, these final edits help make the presentation look much more professional. If you want, you can also tweak the design elements so the slides match your branding or your style. That might include adjusting colors, making text shorter, or simplifying a slide that looks too crowded. The goal is to keep the presentation clear, easy to read, and visually appealing. And once everything looks good, you're done. Gamma will have created a presentation that feels like PowerPoint slides, but with a much faster workflow. You can then export it if needed and use it for meetings, classes, content, or business presentations. That means you get a finished deck without spending hours building it manually. So just to recap, the process is simple. Go to gamma.app, sign in, click Create New, choose Presentation, enter your topic, let Gamma generate the outline, pick a theme, click Generate, and then make your final edits. That's all it takes to create PowerPoint slides with Gamma app. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.